Hello everyone, good morning. Good morning. So yesterday was raining and then overnight snowstorm coming and then this one you see that this is this morning Wednesday this morning we got a lot of snow everywhere and then this one what happened is this snow melt and it becomes squeezy and it become very heavy and it also like a mirror glass so this is dangerous anyway this is our Minnesota. This is Minnesota life. We live in Minnesota like this. Every year we must be faced like that, okay? So that was so cool. We have fun. This is a garage door. We are not. I'm moving my snow. I don't have the snow blower, so I do my manual shovel. So this is called Minnesota. So I need to do a lot of work here in garage way, and then here sidewalk. I have some have been done, but this side I need to do, and then the other side long way have to be done. Let's see. Here, example here like this. You see the guy here? See, like that. And then also super cold today, and then super strong wind, windy and super cold. So I can't hold my hand long time, so I need to use my hand glove. All right, guys, I'm back here. So after shower, as you see here, like that. Yeah. Sidewalk is clear now. Garage door, garage way, sidewalk. So my house has L shape, L shape. So I have to do more work other than my neighbors, right? Oh my God, my lips are stuck because of super cold here. When I speak, I can't speak very well. Sorry. So those I see that? Yeah, like that. So my neighbor are using, powerful snowblower. You see that? Yeah. They have my friend here. Oh, see? So cool. Okay. I need to stop now because my hair is super freezing now. Alright, this is after shower. Before shower, after shower, done. Thank you. See you guys. I'm going to take some breakfast and with a coffee. All right, bye.